Hello everyone, welcome back to our Crochet Corner. Today we are going to create beautiful yellow earrings. These earrings will add a pop of color to any outfit. Grab your crochet hook and some yellow yarn. Let's start by making a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop and chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now chain 3 for the first double crochet. Work double 1 more double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet to join. Round 1 is complete and you should have a circle. For round 2, chain 3 and work 2 double crochets in each stitch round. Slip stitch to join at the end of the round. Round 2 creates a fuller circle. Round 3, then work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat from to around the circle. Chain 3, then work 1 double crochet in the chain space. Slip stitch to join at the end of the round. Repeat round 4 until your earring reaches the desired size. Fasten off and wave in the ends. Now let's make the earring hook. Take a piece of wire and shape it into a second earring. You can also customize them with beads or charms. Feel free to experiment with different colors and yarn weights. Don't worry if you are a beginner, this tutorial is easy to follow. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying. Share your creations with us on social media. Thanks for watching this video.